Mike here with ShockSims, and today we're going to install the OBD Arc R built for 22 and up Sierra Denalis and Silverado High Countries. Let's get started. The Arc R is going to come with the unit itself and 2 zip ties for installation. The tools you're going to need are some snips or scissors, a 10mm deep socket or 10mm wrench. And because we're messing with the battery, go ahead and get an insulated glove. Let's head to the driver's side. We'll start by opening up the hood. Then we'll head to the passenger door. While the battery is connected, go ahead and lift the seat all the way up so we can access underneath. As well, let's get the fuse puller out of this side fuse box. Now let's head back up to the front. At the battery, let's go ahead and loosen the 10mm bolt and disconnect it. Push it out of the way to make sure it doesn't make contact. Moving down to the fuse box, go ahead and remove the lid. And we're looking for Fuse 56 or the SADS 15 amp fuse, which is going to be located towards this top. Grab your fuse puller and pull out the 15 amp fuse. We're not going to be reconnecting the fuse, so we can place it in one of these spare slots. Now we could replace the cover. Grab our fuse puller, replace it in the side panel, snap the side panel back in. Now we could go underneath the seat. Directly underneath, you'll find this sensor and connector. There's a red tab. Pull that out and push down the black tab in the center to release the latch, and you can easily pull it out. Grab the Arc R, the blue connector, connect that to the harness that you just disconnected. Secure it with the red clip. Grab the other end of the harness and reconnect that to the sensor. Push in the red tab to lock it. I'm going to use the 2 zip ties and mount it to the front right here. Use some snips to cut off the extra plastic. Now let's head back to the battery. Reconnect the negative battery terminal. And tighten the 10mm bolt. The red light turns on once it starts receiving canned messages, which means that it's active and working. Once the vehicle is off, it will automatically shut down so it doesn't drain your battery. With that, the installation is done. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to us and we'll get right back to you.